Hello students, myself Nitin Patel, your history teacher. Today we will understand what were the reason against the decline of Roman Empire. There were many reasons. First I will tell to you these reasons, then we will understand the reason by the help of our book. Now the decline of Roman Empire was due to many reasons. Many reasons were there. First one reason like that a decline that took place many hundreds of years. Major causes of the fall of the Roman Empire were political corruption. First was the main reason. Another one, constant war and infighting among soldiers, slave revolts, etc. These were the main reasons. Again, I will repeat: political corruption, constant war, infighting among soldiers, and slave revolts. Now we will understand that topic by the help of our book. First reason, in AD 395, the Roman Empire was divided into two: Western Roman Empire with its capital at Rome and Eastern Roman Empire with its capital at Constantinople. In the long run, this weekend, the Roman Empire, as the two sides got involved in political disputes, besides of death and inefficient ruler and decline in trade, further weakened the Western Roman Empire. It was the reason totally depend on inefficiency of the ruler and the war, and then we can say total matter of political corruption. Now next reason, by the middle of the 4th century AD, the war flanks western among Europe come to the share common boundaries with the generic Germanic tribes and chiefly Swiss origin. Chief among these tribes were the Goths, Vandals, and Frank. Another one reason, the barbarian tribes attacked a large part of the Western Roman Empire, which crumbled under these attacks. This ended the political unity of the Western Roman Empire and lead the rise of regional kingdoms. Now small kingdoms. Next, another one reason was the Western Roman Empire finally collapsed when the last Roman Empire, Romulus Augustus, was defeated by the Goths in AD 476. Now we will understand about the barbarian attacks. The word barbars were used by the Greek to refer the non-Greeks. Understand that word was used by the Greek for the non-Greek persons. Now we can say in easy word, those who, if some person of Jangirabad saying to another one person another name they are giving, then like that Greek's person is given the non-Greek person named as barbarous, who were considered uncivilized. According to them, they were uncivilized. This lead the common language of barbarian for the anyone who was regarded culturally inferior. In ancient India, the Sanskrit word Baba was used for anyone who spoken different language. Now, Byzantine Empire. First, we have to understand about the Byzantine Empire. Little bit I will tell to you, then afterward we will explain that topic by the help of book. Now I am saying about the Byzantine Empire. In CE 455, the Vandals invaded and plundered the city of Rome. Then it CE 476, the last Roman Empire, Romulus Augusta, was disposed. After there was no emperor in the west, only a remnant of ruler empire survived in the east with its capital at Constantinople. Now we will understand this topic by the help of our book. While the Western Roman Empire was overrun by the Germanic tribes, the Byzantine or Eastern Europe Empire successfully resisted on onslaught of the Ge- Germanic tribe. It became a flourishing commercial center and saw the rise of important cities such as Ashdod, Alexandria, Jerusalem, and Constantinople, which had become a very important center of Christianity after Rome. By the end of the 4th century, the barbarian invasion had broken up by the Western Roman Empire into a number of small, mutually warriors' kingdoms. There was the total breakdown of law and order, and this time the Christian Church emerged as the organized institution that protected and preserved moral value and promoting the learning. Now we will understand about the Byzantine Empire. You have to watch this video near minimum 2 times, then you will understand what were the reason against the Byzantine Empire. Now stay at home and study well.